We've got another one of the last Yeezy drops on the confirmed app. The popular YEEZY 350 V2 Carbon Beluga is also currently available, so let's check them out. This sneaker first came out exactly a year ago for $230. Today, of course, you can buy it for the same price. They're incredibly comfortable and stylish to boot. Basically, it's a solid sock with an adidas Boost technology sole that you can't go wrong with and can go anywhere. What do you think about the Yeezy being available again? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.